Hi, and welcome. So, this is my new project. I call it Warfake. It's a first person shooter, fast paced, and this is a project that I'm creating to demonstrate my abilities with Unreal Engine and show you guys how I work and to make some experiments. Um, I want to keep some stuff pretty simple here. So in this project, I'm not using gas because my character doesn't do much. And the same for AI. So I don't need it. I really don't need it. I would overcomplicate this for something that is not that complicated. Basically, my goal with my character is just to be fast and comfortable. I am started working with some other specs of the character, and I have just few guns here that I am just adjusting. I haven't made the IK yet, but they are proper attached to the character. Just need to handle the AK for the left hand. And I haven't worked with the animations yet, but they are pretty decent for now. I can do some pretty other stuff, and the game is true FPS, so I can handle my whole character. And we will have another mesh, another character for it, and we can double jump, and we can also slide. And there is a slide on slope as well. So we will have some pretty fast and cool development for this one. And some designs strategies I have choose to create my AIs with mass entities. I will create this and show you guys later. And why a mass AI instead of the normal AI? It's because my AI we will have hundreds of AI on screen, and the player can shoot and kill all of them. And using a normal AI, this wouldn't be possible. The game would lag a lot. And with mass AI, with mass entity, this will be easy to handle. But then you can say, we can't kill a mass AI because they don't have a collision. We can't kill it. If we hit a mass entity, we can't hit it. It's just not possible. So I have here a system which we will calculate the AI, and if he is killable, let's say, we will give him a skeletal mesh, an animation, of course, so we can hit and also have a hit bone location. Because depending where you shoot the AI, the damage will be different. And for now, what I have here just preset is just a character. We have the presets, we have the movement. I have this debug screen showing my velocity. So my velocity increase, decrease. There's a slope velocity as well. And we have some fill states. My custom one, we have the player The ammo here is the count of magazines, because the game will be... the weapons is counted by magazine. So if you shoot and then you reload, you lose a magazine, not the amount of ammo. And we have the recoil, as you can see. And recoil is a... you see, it's not strafe. I'll show you. I'm working with ADS as well, so we'll have ADS soon. And each weapon will have its muzzle flash and its recoil. The shotgun needs bump, and I don't have another shot for it, just a... I haven't worked with the reload of it. So, and we'll have the waves. So what is the current wave? Active enemies from this wave, and what is the game phase? All this handled by my game. And besides the character, we have the animation for it, handling the animation from the weapon, the aiming, and some other aspects of the animation of the character. This one is not. It's just for the animation. So my look angle, look down angle, my leaning, because if I walk here and I go sides, you can see the camera just tilts just a bit. And more stuff. The health component. The health is an integer, because I don't want to give 2.5 damage, so it's always integer. The points, it's because when you start killing stuff, doing stuff, you will gain points, and with those points you can use an ability, which won't be much. It's pretty simple. The ammo components to handle all the ammos, the magazines. And this is all the type of ammo we have in the game. The weapon inventory that handles the weapons. We have the primary weapon, the secondary weapon, and the special weapon. All the weapons you will choose before the game to start, and you can chop the weapon and use attachments and other kind of stuff. And there will be their classes. I'll just show you in a bit how this works. And of course, the character movement. This is a character movement I have created with special cases. And for the weapon, we have the data, which tells which is the weapon, which is his category. Because bow and throwable, they work differently. Which slot this weapon attached, and which is his socket. What is his ammo type, and the bullet layout. This is the bullet layout, and we can fill it with all the bullets or just one type of bullet. And I can mix up, like I have this magazine with 10 bullets with one type, 10 bullets with another type, and another 10 bullets with another type. Then we have this magazine with this bullet layout with 3 types of bullet inside of it, which is the fire mode, the fire rate, the damage from the weapon, and the bullet has its damage as well. It's not just the weapon. So the bullet has its damage because as I told you, the other bullet can have its damage and not just the damage, the trail, the mesh, and all the other informations about penetration, the ricochet, and a lot of information depending on the material response that we can check here. If it will penetrate, if it will ricochet, depending on the material it hits. And I am using it with a audio component, so each time something happens, it will play on the audio. It will never spawn a sound at location or spawn a sound. It will always be a audio play. And the same for the system. It's the system play, never a spawn, because garbage collection will work terrible with it. And then each weapon will have its animation blueprint, because the pack of the weapon I have, they have animations for everything. Charging the bullet on chamber, the weapon on idle, firing, there's a firing animation for the weapon, shooting while empty, and etc. And then I have the animation blueprint for the character as well, of course. Both of them, they have the same results, like is reloading, is the weapon reloading chamber, and all these states, so the animation of the character can follow the animation of the weapon. I need to work more on the states, because I don't have in air, I don't have other states here configured yet, because I'm working on the logic, and I have created some stuff, but it's not all done yet. But I will be there. And for those who want to know how do I code, this is how I code. I comment the sections, and I really like to have the code on Pragma instead of the comments, because this helps a lot. So I can just do like this, and this is very good. I feel so much better when I just see what I want to see. Want to change the direction, I just come here to change the direction. And yeah, this is something I like. And always using something that is not hard coded as possible. But here is sometimes it will be the number, but I don't need to create a variable for everything. I like to create stuff here and then come into Unreal and change what I like or what I don't like. This is why I have a lot of the variables here. I'll change it by categories and subcategories. Okay, so my step now that I'm creating here is the weapon. I want to be sure that my weapon do what I need it to do. And now I need to have here, this came with the weapon pack, so I need to have my own notify here. So it's the notify, the mag eject. I need to check where is the bone. I don't know where is the bone for the mag, and then the mag insert, and if necessary, it will trigger the reload chamber. If no bullet in chamber, it will reload the chamber. So I will have this animation here in a montage, and I'll divide this by sections. So if the reload starts and it ejected the magazine, so the weapon will have no magazine. If you switch weapon, the weapon will have no magazine. And then if I get the weapon again, it will just put the magazine on it. And then there is the third state, that is to chamber the weapon. That is this one, I think. Yes. And then I'll have this animation when I have the third state, if necessary. Else, it's just this one. To have the weapon and reload the weapon. And that's it. And here we can see the skeleton of it. So here on the beginning, here we have eject. So on this state, there's no coming back. Now it's time to put the magazine again. And basically here, the weapon's ready. You can cut off the animation, but that's it. Remove, put it, and that's it. And I'm doing this part now because, as you can see, all I can do here is get the weapon, I can fire, and it shot up, of course. You can see some of the projectiles. There's a pooling for it, but it's not complete. I will also add the feedback. When you shoot, we will have the feedback. And now, I said I would show you. So yeah, the bullet, the automatic, the reload, demonstrations for it. The sounds that will be played, the muzzle flash, and this is the pattern or the recoil. This works like this. I can add more points. So like the start place is here, first one is here, then go there. So it's not random. See? Then it's not random. All the weapons will have its patterns, so the player can play with it. I can add it here a spread curve, but I don't want to add this. Probably I will add a spread if not aiming, but always precise if aiming. I will check as long as I develop this. But the goal now is just have the functionality of this running well, so I can check this in the end. Okay, so for now this is basically it. Don't have much for now. Just my character running, sliding, shooting, but not with the animations for now. But this is something that will happen. Okay. Once I update this project, I will tell you guys. See you on the next time. Bye bye.